It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creation, and today I come to you with my new Tonic craft kit. This is number 56, I think, and I think I'll be up to date after this. Alright, so let's get right on into this baby. Ooh, first thing I see is this beautiful stencil. Alright, so let's take everything out. Move the box out of the way for a sec. Alright, so we're going to move this here. There we go. And we're going to look at the papers first. Y'all know I like to look at the papers. Comes in this beautiful sleeve. I love these sleeves. I keep the papers in there. Alright. Oh, I'm forgetting one thing. I need the list. Alright. There it is. You try not to look at everything because the list is inside the dies. Alright. Yes. This is the Craft Kit 56. I like that they're putting that on there. Leave that to the side so I know the names of these papers. Alright. This one is Classic Card. If I can read here. This is the Classic Card Fern Green. Beautiful. Fern Green. This palette, I can already tell it's going to be beautiful. This is Classic Card Bubblegum. I use this one a lot. Bubblegum. Classic Card Marigold Yellow. Very pretty color. Ooh, I love that palette. This one is Classic Card Maroon Red. Beautiful. And another Classic Card. Good. Y'all gave a lot of Classic cards this time. This one is called Chili Red. Look how bright that is. I love that red. Beautiful. Then it looks like, ooh, now we got some glitter card. This glitter card, ooh, this is pretty. This glitter card is Lucky Shamrock. Look how pretty that is. Oh, yes, honey. I love glitter card stock from Tonic. Nothing comes off on your hand. Nothing at all. Alright, why is these backwards? Alright. So then we have a pearlescent card. This one is called Coffee Cream. Coffee Cream. Ooh. This is beautiful. Let me see what the name of this one is. They call this a mirror card, but it's like a satin finish. This was called Flourishing Green. This is beautiful. I love that green. That is gorgeous. And here's another mirror card, Baroque Rose. I have this one. I love this one as well. But these are more like a satin finish, but they still call them mirror cards. And then you get two of the Summer Garden pattern sheets cardstock. This one has yellow and orange butterflies. And then the reverse side has this beautiful pattern. Check pattern. Isn't that pretty? And just so you know, like I said, it's double-sided. Alright, so I just like it like that so I can see both of them. So that is the paper collection, paper samples in this month's collection. This kit is beautiful. I love these colors. Very pretty. So let's put these back and move on. Alright. So, like I said, the first thing I saw when I opened up was this beautiful stencil. This stencil is gorgeous. Now, let me open it because I know there was something different. This butterfly comes off. And this one, it comes out. So you can actually do a blank. Oh, and this one as well. So you get 3 butterflies that will come out of the stencil. I don't want to take it out. I'll be on loss one, be mad. And these beautiful flowers, so you can do your embossing moves or expanding moves or color, whatever you want to do to it, over it. And then when it dry, put the stencil back on and then do another layer with a different color of mousse. And then you can have that raised up. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. I love their stencils. So let me make sure I give you the name of the stencil. Oh, it didn't say. It doesn't say on here, guys. They must have forgot to put it on here. Alright, so the next thing I see. Ooh, oh my gosh. We got some 6x6 bright white card blanks and envelopes. Are you freaking kidding me? And there's 10 in here. Oh, cards already ready for you to play with. That stencil on there. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love when you get the card stock. The card blanks. Then we got some dimensional foam pads. I just put this in my cart. I just added this to my cart. So that's awesome that I get to play with it to see if I really want it. They're very thin, but they're dimensional. This is very thin. I know y'all see that. I mean, it gives enough, I guess. I'll probably have to double it up. But you get, it's 609 squares. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Tonic. Oh, and you get 2 of them, guys. Yes, honey. Oh, maybe they made a mistake, but that's okay. That's a plus for me. Foam pads. Yep, I got 2. Yes. Now, let's see what's in this Nouveau bag. Y'all know I like the Nouveau bag. Well, you know I like everything Tonic. Yes! I'm so excited about that. Alright, so I do see an ink pad. This one's called Parakeet Green. It's a Nouveau Hybrid ink pad. I haven't played with those yet. This is a Nouveau Aroma Drop. Yes, honey, I have those right here. So I'm so excited I got another one to play with. This is Strawberry Tart. Let me make sure they're the same. Strawberry Tart. Yep. These smell so good when you put them on projects. So that's awesome that I got another one to play with in case I run out. Then I have Glacier Paste. And this one is, oh, it's a pretty pink. I'm trying to see what the name of it. Frosted Petal. That pink is beautiful. Frosted Petal. I have to see if I have it already. I keep throwing it in my giveaway pile. And look what I got, guys. I got some more pens. Oh, it looks like I might already have these. These markers, not pens. I think I already have these. Let me see. My last one. Ooh, no, it's a different pink. Yes, honey. So this time I got 450 Sweet Blossom. Yes. Yes, I can't wait. You can blend very well when you have shades. This one is called Bamboo Leaf. Let me see. It's 413. Yes, the last time it was Peapod. So it's just a different shade. Green. Ha-ha! I love it when I get the different ones. Yes, honey. And then I got Indian Chiffon. It's 405. Look how pretty that is. Yes, a type of yellow. And let me see. That will go perfect with these. I'm missing one. It must have failed. Look at that. You can blend very nicely when you have multiple colors, different shades. So I am so excited about that. I'm just filling up my little marshmallow cup. Y'all saw me haul. All right, so let's get to the die. Yes, honey. All right, so this die set is called Summer Garden. Look at the little bees on there. Isn't that cute? I like to put this on the front so when I open up my binder, I know which one it is. I'm thinking the next one will have a new binder in it because I remember sticking it down. I haven't put the other one in. So yeah, the next one will have a binder. All right, let me make sure we got everything that was supposed to be in here. Yep. All right, so here is the dies and stamp set. Oh my gosh, I just saw this. Look at this super cute watering can. Oh my gosh, got beautiful butterflies. This is so cute. Got some flowers, leaves, a smaller butterfly, a very tiny flower. Beautiful tiny flowers there. And this looks like a roof. Let's see. Because you have a house. This is cute. Another butterfly. And look at the bird, guys. Are you freaking kidding me? Got a wing so you can make it dimensional. Another flower. This looks like a bumblebee. Are you freaking kidding me? And then you got some inlays you can add. This looks like goes to the watering can. Yep, look at that. This is so cute. And is this a box? OMG. That you could put the little flowers in a little pot. This is so cute. Look at the stamp set. That is a butterfly. Look at that. Not butterfly. Bee. Look how cute that bee is. Happy bee day for you. Have an unbelievable day. Have a blooming great day. Make a wish. Look at the bird. Oh, look at the boot. Is there a boot on here? No, they didn't get to die for the boot, but that is too cute to have that. That'll be easy to, well, maybe not the flowers. You have to fussy cut to make it dimensional. I thought I did see a boot, but I guess not. There's no boot. But this is adorable. Got polka dots. Happy bird day. Bird day. There is the box. Oh, and then this guy actually cuts out that. OMG. Of course it'll be this way. Cutting it out. Because I was like, why is it sticking up? Oh, yeah, that's perfect. So you could do that to build up this cute little crate. Got a, what is this? The pot. That looks like that's bigger. Yeah, that's a big pot. Got a flower. This is too cute. OMG. So I actually love this one to make embellishments, guys. This would be so cute to make some beautiful embellishments. I think I'm gonna play with this. Yes. Make cute little birdhouses in a watering can. I've been seeing some people do some super cute things with watering cans, so I think I will do some watering cans. Might not do the birdhouse. Maybe. I don't know. Put the bird on top of the little thing right here, or up here, or standing on the spout. That'll be cute. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Did y'all get this kit? Tonic comes out with some super cute kits. And this is a monthly subscription. But all you have to do is just sign up. And if you don't want it for that month, because they do show, other crafters show it before you get it. And it's like a month behind. So when you see the new kit, guys, it's a month early, in other words. So you won't get it to the next month release. So you can also go in and say you want to skip. If you don't like that one, you can skip it. I haven't skipped any yet. If I don't like it and I still get it, I'll just gift it. There's no big deal. But y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.